Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today is my first fire alarm test. So let's get started. As you can see, we've got a 2x4 stud frame with a piece of drywall. And we have a smoke detector with a pull station. So it looks like a real fire alarm system. Except for the fact that there is no fire alarm panel. But I think it still looks good. Let me know what you think. Now, I am going to show you some of my devices. First of all, I have my first Alert 9120B ionization smoke detector. Yes, this smoke detector is ionization, and you can tell that by looking at the I, which means it's ionization. There are also photoelectric smoke detectors, which if you look on the box, or the device, you can tell whether it's ionization, or photoelectric. If there is an I, it's ionization. And if there is a P, it's photoelectric. And then, I have my Firelight BG12 fire alarm pull station. Which if I open it up, I can show you the model. As you can see, it is a BG12. I wish I could use my Simplex T-Bar, but I can't really use it, because it's addressable. And I don't want to convert it into conventional. That's everything on this setup. Now, let's pull this. Here we go. Alright, now I'm going to test the smoke detector with the test button. Here we go. Alright, now I'm going to activate this pull station one more time, but this time I'm going to deactivate it. Here we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Before the video ends, I just want to say I'm going back to installing Windows for the next video. I will also make a video of how I got my heat detector to activate through a pull station on my New Year's fire alarm sounding video. So stay tuned for that. Alright, that's all for the video, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.